Here we are, Toyota Sienna. Vehicle was brought in, basically had all the lights on, had the traction control light on, check engine light on. So I'm gonna drive it, see what exactly it's doing. It does have a solenoid functional code, so what I'm gonna do is, just take it through the gears manually, making the upshifts, and we're gonna see what transpires, see if the actual command for the gear change is taking place. So right now I'm in low, move over to 2, okay, second gear shift took place, and move it up to third, see if the third gear shift takes place. The third gear shift took place, but unfortunately it seems like it's shifting into nothing. So whether we have clutch component or a strip splines or something to that effect, but without question does not have third gear operation. Third gear is just a neutral condition. So this transmission, based on the nature of the problem and also the codes that were present, being a functional code as opposed to an electrical code, this transmission has an internal problem.